What are the different types of psychological evaluation questions? Psychological evaluation questions may be in the form of a written test or questionnaire, or conducted orally. One of the first questions that may be asked when evaluating psychological health is whether the person is currently taking any medication. General health questions may be asked as well. Psychological evaluation questions may also pertain to depression and suicidal thoughts. Obtaining a psychological profile of an individual can help a psychologist make an accurate assessment and design an effective treatment program. Psychologists evaluating a patient may also ask whether he has ever attempted suicide. If so, the patient may be asked to reveal the circumstances of the incident and subsequent result. Similar psychological evaluation questions may involve the topic of self-mutilation. For example, the patient may be asked whether he has ever deliberately injured himself by cutting his skin. When a person is suspected of having a psychological disorder, a series of evaluations or screenings to determine the exact cause of symptoms may be given. Screenings can identify conditions, such as attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, anxiety disorder, or multiple personality syndrome. Depending upon the type of psychological evaluation, the person may be asked whether he has difficulty focusing on tasks, such as schoolwork or job duties. He may also be asked whether he experiences compulsive actions that interfere with his life. Questions asked for psychological evaluation may also involve the person's sleep habits. The patient may be asked whether he regularly suffers from insomnia. Additionally, he may be asked how many hours of sleep he receives every night. A psychotherapist may also ask his client if he suffers from recurring nightmares that disrupt his sleep. He may then ask the individual to describe the dream in detail. Other common psychological evaluation questions may pertain to feelings of hatred or distrust. The patient may be asked if he harbors resentment or ill feelings toward anyone in particular. He may also be asked if these feelings interfere with his current relationships. Not all psychological evaluation questions are designed for people with psychological disorders or issues. Some evaluation tests are given to candidates who apply for various job positions. For example, it's common for psychological evaluation questions to be asked of firefighters and police officers. Airline pilots are also given psychological evaluation tests on a routine basis. This may help recognize psychological problems that could potentially interfere with the person's ability to perform his duties.